Second pregnancy after C-section. Second pregnancy after C-section. Gerard Massa, the health educator, Boza or Musawi Gerard Massa are our channels, and today we are answering the question, how long after C-section can you have another baby? Hello, welcome to our channel. I'm Gerard Massa, the health educator. On this channel, we talk about pregnancy related questions. We answer all your pregnancy related questions. We also do talk about conditions including fertility, infertility, endometriosis, endometritis, and also we do discuss issues regarding polycystic ovarian syndrome. Let me know if you have any questions, and welcome for today's lesson. You are most welcome, and stay with me today as we talk about today's topic. Welcome. How long after C-section can you have another baby? So the first thing we shall need to define is what is a C-section. C-section specifically means a cesarean section, or when you give birth but through operation. When you give birth through operation, maybe due to some issues, maybe you delayed to give birth, or probably when there is obstruction during giving birth, or if at all there are any other complications and you end up giving birth in the theater after having a C-section, then we say this is a cesarean section, and this is basically giving birth after you have been operated on. So the question is, how long will you take to get pregnant again? How long after C-section can you have another baby? Gerard Massa, the health educator, is the name of the channel, and we are answering this question. And we have first of all started by defining what a C-section is. Whenever you give birth, whenever you give birth through a C-section, it is always recommended that you take some time off, or you hold on getting pregnant again until total healing has taken place, until total recovery has taken place, because the abdominal wall is made up of several layers. Actually, there are around 6 layers of muscle which make up the abdominal wall. So these layers of muscles have to heal. Whenever healing is taking place, normally it takes some time. It is recommended that at least you hold on getting pregnant again until when total healing has taken place. And many doctors and gynecologists around the world recommend at least 2 to 3 years at least for you to get pregnant again. So if you have had a C-section, if you have given birth through a C-section and you are looking at getting pregnant again, it is recommended that you take at least 2 to 3 years before you get pregnant again. Because if you go on and get pregnant very early, before the 2 to 3 years end, then there are high chances that you could end up with complications. The complications we are talking about include obstruction. Normally, when you give birth very early, before the 2 to 3 years have ended, you are most likely to end up with complications, including uterine rupture. The uterus can easily rupture when you are giving birth, and normally this can really be fatal. It can be fatal, it can be life-threatening. So it is recommended that you take at least 2 to 3 years before you get pregnant again. The other complication you are most likely to get when you give birth very early, or when you get pregnant very early, is that you can actually also end up giving a baby who is low birth weight, a baby with a low birth weight. So getting pregnant very early before the recommended 2 to 3 years you can end up getting pregnant, but still you can end up giving birth to a baby who is very small for the age. And then the other complication is that there's a risk of heavy bleeding, which can actually also be life-threatening. It is very, very important that you take some time, at least 2 to 3 years before you get pregnant again. How long after C-section can you have another baby? We have answered, and we have said that it should be at least 2 to 3 years before you get pregnant again. when you rush and you get pregnant very early, there are high chances that you can end up with complications, and these complications include uterine rupture, whereby the uterus can tear open and this can be life-threatening. The other complication is that you can end up giving birth to a low birth baby or a low birth weight baby, where the baby is very, very small. And then there's also a complication, or there's a risk for tear. I mean, we've talked about this, but there's a risk for heavy bleeding, which can actually be life-threatening if it comes to the knowledge that you could be having also a bleeding problem, or you could be having a secondary medical illness. So it is recommended, my friend, that you take at least 2 to 3 years before you get pregnant. And if at all it has happened, maybe you didn't know but you went on and got pregnant before the 2 to 3 years, it is recommended that you consult your gynecologist, you be in touch with your doctor who will monitor your pregnancy through ultrasound scanning, and then also doing other tests in preparation for operation, just in case, in preparation for operation or cesarean section, just in case complications arise. So it is recommended that you take 2 to 3 years before getting pregnant. Once again, Gerard Massa, the Health Educator, is the name of the channel. We talk about the ovulation calendar, the ovulation calculator, and then also we do give pregnancy tips daily. We release new videos at exactly 17 hours East African time daily. See you in my next video. And how long after C-section can you have another baby? We have answered that it is supposed to be 2 to 3 years until you get pregnant again. Let me answer all your questions down below in the comments, and God bless. I take this opportunity to thank you, my friend, for attending today's lesson. I hope you have learned something from today's lesson. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. I will answer all your questions. Just ask me any questions you might be having in regards to today's topic, or any topic you could be having. Ask me down below in the comments and I will answer all your questions. Become part of our channel, subscribe so that you get new videos we put out every day. On this channel we talk about the ovulation calendar, we talk about the ovulation calculator, we do also give pregnancy tips daily. Remember to subscribe for new videos I put out every day, and remember to support our channel so that we can grow and reach more couples, more people who need this information. Support us through Sendwave or through World Remit apps. You could also support us through Airtel Money or MTN Mobile Money so that we grow and touch more people. Subscribe for new videos we put out every day. Gerard Massa, the Health Educator. May God bless and protect us all. And remember to come back tomorrow for another video. We put out videos every day at exactly 17 hours. We put out videos, new videos come out every day at exactly 17 hours. Remember to hit the subscribe button, support us so that we can grow and touch more people, and see you in my next video. See you and have yourself a fantastic and healthy day. May God bless and protect us all. Bye bye. See you.